Hello, Steve. Here are your video solutions to the two questions you ask. So, as you know, when you plug in 0 in for x, you're going to get 0 over 0. So, using the Hopital's rule would make sense, and it looked like you tried to do that on the worksheet that the picture was taken of. So, we take the derivative of both the top and bottom. So, the bottom, we just get 1. And then for the top, we know the derivative of a constant is 0. So we just need to find the derivative of radical 9 plus x. So recall that that's 9 plus x to the 1/2 power. So the derivative would be equal to 1/2 9 minus x to the negative 1/2 power. 9 plus x. So we could rewrite this as 1 over 2 radical 9 plus x. So then substituting 0 into the equation, or to the expression, we get 1 over 2 radical 9, which is equal to 1/6. And we can verify it by typing in the expression. Plus x in the radical, minus 3, divided by x. We go to our table. We'll pick values, small values, as we get closer and closer to 0. We can do someone on the negative side. And you can see that 1/6 appears to be the limit. Okay, then for the integral, it also looked like you were on the right step. We know that if we pick our u as radical x minus 1, our du is going to be 1 over 2 radical x minus 1 dx. So solving for this part here, which is what we have, we can multiply both sides by 2. So 2 du equals 1 over radical x minus 1 dx, which gives us this part of the integral. So the question is, how do we rewrite x plus 3 in terms of our u? Well, I know that u squared is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, all I need to do is add 4 to make that equal to the x plus 3. So now we can rewrite our integral as, I'm going to pull that 2 to the outside. So the integral is u squared plus 4. So we get 2/3. Oh, you can't see that. So we get 2/3 u cubed plus 8u plus c. And now we can substitute u back in. So at this point, we can simplify this a little bit more. And the answer book has something that's a little, not the answer book, but the answer book would have something written a little differently. I don't have the answer book for this one. So let me kind of show you how we could simplify this a little bit. Notice that we have a common factor of radical x minus 1 here. And so what they'll probably do is they'll probably pull out a 2/3 radical x minus 1, which leaves, this is going to be x minus 1, because we just pulled out one of the radical roots. Then over here, if I divide 8 by 2/3, I get 12. So then it would be rewritten as this. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me.